Hi, and welcome to Lily Love Coach. Today we're going to talk about part 2 of how to make your erection last longer. In the first section, we discussed spending more time building it and the sensations and expanding the feelings, etc. Step number 5 to making it last longer is using that concept through self-masturbation. Get a clear scale in your head of arousal. So from 0 being not aroused at all to 10 being exploding, you're done, you're ejaculating, it's hot, it feels great. I want you to really focus on knowing your own body, what it's like for you at a level 1, what your body feels like, what you're like at a level 2, a 3, a 4, a 5. So often, because men don't really know where their bodies are at, they'll go from a 5 to a 10 within seconds. So the goal is to really slow it down. Discover your body sensations at a 5. Push it to a 6. Remember to keep breathing. Bring yourself to a 7, an 8, even a 9. When you've been aroused for a while, you can withstand a lot of time being at a 9 if you keep with the breath work. If you just go from 4 to 10, you're going to miss out on all those in-between stages. So really get a grasp on what your body's sensations feel like at a 7, an 8, a 9. This way, when you're with your partner, you have a really good understanding of exactly how turned on you are, how much you need to slow down if you want to last longer, for how long you can keep going at that pace if you want to keep going at that pace without going over the top yourself, okay? So get a handle on where you fall on the 0 to 10 scale of arousal. Number 6 as to how to last longer is make